It's your girl Jasmine K, Jazzy J, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, I'm so excited for this video too. Like, I'm so excited for every video, but I know y'all haven't seen me do like a sit down video in a while, so I decided to do this one. Y'all, today I'm gonna be unboxing my TELFAR bag. I got my TELFAR bag, y'all. I'm so excited to unbox this. This is my first one. I don't know, I just like the way they look. I love it, I love it, I love it, and I love getting new purses. I'm addicted to bags, I'm gonna open this up with y'all and just see what it's about and see what it's like. I'm so excited. Before we get into this video, don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video, because you don't want to miss this. And let's get into this video. This is the package it came in. I ordered this on like a month ago. I don't remember. I think it was like September 20th or something that I ordered it, and it's October 21st now. So it took like a month to come, but I knew they was gonna do that because they had on there that they shipping between September 29th and October 29th. I'm just glad I finally got mine. I've been waiting for it for so long. So I mean, without further ado, let's just open it. Let's just open it. So excited, y'all. And this is a fall one. Like, I got a fall one, or a fall colored one, you could say, because it's fall. Why would I not? Ah! Okay. So, good grief. Ah! Okay, fresh out the package. There we go, there we go. This is it, fresh out the package. I'm so excited. Okay. Y'all, girl, okay, y'all ready to see what it look like? I want to scream right now because it's so great. Woo, look at her, look at her. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute. This is so cute. It doesn't even show all the way on like the camera and stuff. So this is like a nude tannish color. I wanted to get something neutral because first of all, I don't have a purse this color, and then second of all, fall. Like, y'all, oh my goodness, I cannot believe that. How about that? Oh yes. A little bit of information about my TELFAR bag. So this is the medium sized one. What was the color? I think it was like cream or something, but I got this one. It was $202, and it's actually pretty big. Like, this is actually a large purse. Let me open it all the way so I can show y'all. It's a pretty large size purse. I haven't, you know, you gotta break in purses a little bit at first. So, and then the inside, it has all these zippers and stuff, and well, it has one zipper. I'm about to be carrying this around. I can't wait already, and I don't want it to get dirty or nothing. This is so freaking cute. I wanted a TELFAR bag so bad, and I finally got me one. So this is not gonna be the only one, because I want the other colors too. I was debating on which colors to get. I finally decided on this one, and I got this one before it sold out, and I was so excited and so happy. Okay, y'all, I'm in the bathroom. Ignore it. I wanted to change up the scenery. What I decided to do was make the video a little bit longer. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna style my TELFAR bag. I'm about to show y'all what I picked out that I'm gonna wear with it, and I'm gonna take pictures, and the pictures are gonna be on my Instagram, so don't even worry, you're gonna be able to see. So I decided I'm gonna go with this black turtleneck that I have. It's a turtleneck bodysuit that I got from Shein. Y'all know, y'all saw on the Shein haul and everything, but it's a turtleneck, kind of mock turtleneck, whatever this is, because it's not a real turtleneck, but it's a black bodysuit. And so I'm gonna go with this shirt here. Then I'm gonna go with these pants that I've never worn because they're extremely too long, but I'm gonna do something where I'm gonna like roll them down. But these are the Megan Thee Stallion jeans that she came out with from Fashion Nova like 2 years ago or whatever, and they're super long, and I'm 5'6", and they're still like super long. So I'm gonna roll them down and try to make them look good. We're gonna see. Also, I have this hat here, the baby girl hat that I got from Shein, and it matches so good with the bag. And then I have gold jewelry that I'm going to wear, and then I have a little hack that I'm going to do because I don't have any gold bracelets. So I'm going to show y'all a hack that I'm going to do as well. Let me just get dressed, and then I'll show y'all the finishing look afterwards. Okay, y'all, so here's the fit. I got on the black bodysuit, and then I have on these pants, and my TELFAR and the hat matches, and of course with gold jewelry. I got my gold necklaces on. So I told y'all I don't have no gold bracelets, so what I did was I have these gold hoop earrings. They're old. I used to wear them, but guess what I'm about to do? Exactly what you think I'm about to do. Look. Boom. Who's gonna know that these aren't bracelets? Nobody? Nobody's even gonna know unless you look up close where you can see the look. Don't even worry about it though. This is the look that I'm going with. So I have these black heels that I might wear in the pictures, but honestly my whole foot is covered by the pants. If y'all can only see the bottom of them, but my whole foot is covered by the pants, so it's not really going to matter too much anyway. Just know these pictures on Instagram at Jazzy J are about to be fire, so you better go look at them. The looks is going to be on my Instagram, so don't forget to tune in there. Anyway, y'all, I know this wasn't the longest video. I guess it was actually pretty short, but I just wanted to unbox that with y'all and just show y'all it and everything. I'm gonna insert some more stuff so that you can see the whole look of the bag, and maybe you want to get you one too. All right, you guys, that is the end of this video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below, and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video, because you don't want to miss this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.